Hi everyone, my name is Nelson Lim. I'm the Senior Manager of Ngee Ann Polytechnic. We are here today at Thong Siek Food Industry. Currently, Thong Siek and Ngee Ann Poly had a joint development and collaboration of the YouTiao processing system. There are currently 3 processes done manually by the staff of Thong Siek Food. The 3 processes are slicing, fish paste dispensing, and sesame seed sprinkling. So because these processes are quite laborious, Thong Siek Food has engaged us to automate these 3 processes into one. So what we have done is to transfer the YouTiao automatically through all these 3 processes so that it can save time, save labor, and improve the cycle time of the process. Okay, basically what this system does is to have the operator place the YouTiao onto the system. A walking beam transferring system will transfer the YouTiaos through the first 2 processes, which the first process is to slice the YouTiao into half, followed by the dispensing of the fish paste onto the split YouTiao. And this is done by using a laser sensor to detect the YouTiao coming in and out through this particular process. And finally, the conveyor system will transfer the YouTiao for the sesame seed dispensing, which will complete the final process of the system. This project started off as a final year project for a group of students. And together with Thong Siek Food support, the students came out with prototypes and designs to ensure that they meet what Thong Siek wanted for this process and system. Subsequently, when the students had graduated, the staff of Ngee Ann Poly, a team of 3, including myself, carry on with the development and integration of this system for Thong Siek Food. And we have worked on this project for half a year together with the Thong Siek technical team in order to get this up and running and commissioned for them. Overall, this project has given the students a very good experience and eye-opener into the food industry, as well as competency development for the staff themselves. If you would like to find out more about this project and what we are doing, please contact us through the link below. Thank you very much.